Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today, we're going to talk about lawnmowers. If you need to change or sharpen your lawnmower blade, using a blade removal tool can help make that job easier and safer. The tool, sold on SearsPartsDirect.com, is a clamp that holds the blade in place when you loosen and tighten the blade bolt on walk-behind or riding mowers. Sure, a block of wood can work in a pinch, but the wood can slip, making it harder to remove the blade bolt. That won't happen with the blade removal tool. The clamp holds the blade securely in place, making it safer and easier to remove the bolt. Check your owner's manual for instructions on how to prepare your mower for blade removal. On most walk-behind mowers, drain the gas tank, disconnect the spark plug wire, and tilt the mower. For riding mowers, disconnect the spark plug wire and remove the mower deck. Place the blade removal tool over the blade and the side of the mower deck. Tighten the clamping screw onto the mower deck firmly so the blade removal tool doesn't move as you remove and replace the blade. Remove the blade bolt and pull off the blade. Install the new blade and tighten the blade bolt. Some manufacturers recommend torquing the blade bolt to 40 to 50 foot-pounds. Check your owner's manual for the blade bolt torque specification. Loosen the clamping screw and take the blade removal tool off the mower deck. Reassemble the mower according to the owner's manual instructions. If you don't have a blade removal tool, get one from Sears PartsDirect the next time you order a mower blade. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.